have nothing to say to her mother. I just wish if she was a mother in my life, if she just think that happened to me, I know I said with her.
All right, Lord. All right.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody living good. I hope everybody breathing and having fun. So people, if it's the first time watching the Chaddy Murray TV, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, y'all gonna be the first to know. And special thanks for those who are watching on Facebook. People, wanna big up on yourself. And don't forget to follow that page as well. So people, today I'm forward to talk about a very serious topic. One that involve children and parents not getting along together. You see me? I don't know why them just can't live together in peace and harmony. So people, Mackerel Ladesha Francis, she just did a very touching onstage interview where she explained herself. She spill it all. She spill her gut. She talk about her mother in such a way where you have to look on her mother and say, damn. And then we want to talk about another part of the topic where these big man them are take disadvantage of the little schoolgirl them. Because Mackerel forward and says she get pregnant at the age of 13. So imagine a 13-year-old. Alright, you know what I want to imagine? Zine, me know say you must know one person, one little picnic, one little baby picnic in that age bracket there. So just imagine a big man I deal with that little picnic there. No, nobody imagine it. A foolish me attack. Them thing they need to stop in a Jamaica. And me get to understand say it a plague the inner city a lot. These big men before them go look big woman, go look big vagina. Them a look them small minor vagina there. Them a look them vagina there when not develop yet. And the big man, because she stated that she get pregnant at the age of 13. So imagine that. Cheese and peas. People, watch a part of the interview.
It's my understanding that you got pregnant at age 12.
13.
13? Yes. Okay. All right. So, and is that why perhaps some people think that you are a prostitute?
And that's why... No,
you think that has anything to do with it?
No, I don't have nothing to do with it.
No.
No, I don't have nothing to do with it.
You're on your own with the child?
No, his father do 100%.
Yeah. Oh, that's good. That the father is standing up to his responsibility?
Yes.
And the father, in terms of the age gap between you and the father, can you talk about that?
He's way older.
Okay, so he was an adult when you got pregnant at 12?
Yeah.
Was he not in legal problems for that?
No.
So people, we are talking about a 13-year-old, you know, or 12, 13, somewhere there, you know, because she have the child at 13. That not necessarily say she get pregnant at 13. She probably get pregnant at 12. And she states the man way older than her, way older than her. So that means say this big, great tone man did I take disadvantage of this poor little girl. Yo, John was star, the man them really fi stop it. The man them fi stop it. How can you there with a 13-year-old as a big man? And people, honestly still, based on the relationship with Mackerel and her mother, I don't know what to say. Because there's 3 sides to a story. And we hear Mackerel's side, we hear our mother's side, but we don't know which one is the truth. So people, me I go make you know hear what Mackerel mother did have
Close.
to say.
Button. Close. Recording.
So, I did everything for Ladesha, except the thing she wanted, like as she know advertising, taking people's man. I couldn't do that for her. But I hope you all will see this and note that what I said, I'm not a bad mother, and I will not stand here or sit here and expect her to abuse and accuse like that.
Recording. Recording. Tag friends. Button. Maxine Halls. Maxine Halls. Tag friend. Ancient hands. Tag friend. Maxine Halls. Tag friend. Button. Kanidra Dixon. Kanidra Dixon.
To date, I'm watching her. It doesn't look like my child. She doesn't seem like mine. Because that's not the child I brought up. Let me tell you this. When she said she was a mother in Spanish Town, Ladesha never know Spanish Town until last year, when she was with this guy, and the guy and her must have met at my sister's house. Yeah.
Recording. Live. 2. Sanji Friginid is watching. Formats. Button. Creative tools. Flip camera.
And he is a warm child, warm gentleman where I'm concerned. And she has to live with being blind. She's legally blind. And I don't know how she don't like blind people. So it means therefore that she doesn't like herself. And people, it's more than enough for me. You watched for her out there. Because if she can lie on her family. I spent all my money that I sing at the plaza. I sing in the buses. I sing at the different, for people who is watching now, must have seen me at high-low playing my keyboard just to make 2 ends meet for her. I was, and I am, a single mom. I raised her without her father. He curses me every day. And I brought her up in such a way that I didn't know. To date, I'm watching her. She took the baby and she ran away from me again. She don't own up to the school for the blind. She never went to Meadowbrook. Never stepped foot into Meadowbrook. And when I taught these people, I'm not defaming her now, because she already made her mark out there. But what I want you to bear in mind is for her to talk the truth, because she was never abandoned. Even the day when she was making the video, she was at my yard. Every 2 weeks, I gave her a snack for the baby. Monday coming, you'll be 5. And 5 years, I'm in that child's life. I was the one who signed all papers for him to be born. For him, I make the choice. Ladesha did not have a choice in whether she's to have the baby or not. The choice was made when they asked me to sign whatever. I love that child within, because he was not asked to.
Formats. Button. Sanji Friginid is watching. Formats. Button.
Yes. And if I can't manage this, then, I need people to help around. When I say manage, all that Ladesha is doing is just for fame. But all she needs to do is to talk the truth, nothing but the truth. If she said my mother and my father separated based on what they told me since she was 3, that I can accept. I don't know about her being abandoned when she was 12. She did that on her own. She ran away from me. She ran away from her father. She found herself pregnant, and to date she hid the man who did that.
Dixon. Tag friend. But. Close. Close. Recording. 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 Recording.
So people, it look like say the phone, me no know. Due to the fact say she blind, she's physically impaired, you see me? And the phone where she use, it look like say it in a disabled mode, where anything you tap on the screen, the phone literally talk it out. So look like say the phone did a manager. But anyway, she said everything when Mackerel has said based upon the relationship between she and Mackerel is a lie. And people, honestly, a mother and daughter that. Me no really want to go deep in that conversation them. Me no want to go deep in that story there. When me know for a fact though, them need to have a good relationship. Two of them are big people now, you know, so them need to fall together and have a understanding. It must be rough. And then again, the love when Mackerel get, or the love when Mackerel mother can give, and the love when Mackerel that look for, can be two separate love. Mackerel can really feel like say she don't get enough love, as well as her mother can really feel like say she give Mackerel enough love that she can. And guess what? The two of them would are really right. So them need for us work out them differences. So people, me I go play a little part of the onstage interview again and show you how or show you what Mackerel say towards our mother.
I never get a mother's love. I never get a mother's love. I think my mother always hate me, and my brother she love my son more. She always brag about him. And I remember at one point, you know, my mother did tell my brother say him for wake me up, and you know people probably hard for wake and them look at something there, and him did that iron him uniform for go to school, and she make him burn me. I have the map on my foot same way. He burned me with the iron. I never did have the mother who say, alright, my one daughter do this, do that, do that. She never give me that attention. She just did only the like to give me food wise. Which giving a child food, that is not love, because anybody can pick up a child and give a child food. Food for the poor do it, mustard seed do it. Anybody can pick up a child and give a child food. Me take man because me just want love. Me not tell nobody no lie. I just did want love, and me did not get it because them did not hug me. Them did not me did think that I love, because me never have a mother will hug me and tell me get up every day and tell me say she did love me and them something there. My mother put me out at the age of 15 over one little phone, and I did have to catch all boys. But just never did have that with my mother there on there. I know.
It's okay. It's okay, sweetheart. You're still here. You're still here on the planet, on Earth. Still alive. What do you want to say to your mom? Can you say something to her directly through our cameras right now?
I don't have nothing to say. I have nothing to say to her mother. I just wish if she was a mother in my life, if she just think that I'm to me, I know it's set with that.
Alright, Lord. Alright.
Anyway, people, what I can say, it was a very, very, very good interview. Well done on stage. Well done, Winford Williams. I mean, contrast to this interview and the one with that lady where she accused her of being a prostitute, you can see totally different caliber work. So me have to say on stage, well done. And people, if you don't want to see the full interview, me have to leave the link in the description. So you know, go on over on stage and just go and go pre the full interview. People, them do a good job. I mean, when I watch it, at least 5,500 people did I watch. Yo, Chaddy star. That's a good job. So people, don't forget to click a like on the video. Don't forget to leave a comment. Tell me what you think. The Facebook people, don't forget to follow the page and drop a comment as well. I don't want to think about the whole situation. You feel like say Mackerel is faking it, because a lot of people still say Mackerel are fake it. But me, honestly, still, me don't really feel so. I feel like she just got through a lot. You see me? And as what she said, she needs some love and care, but that's what me think. Tell me what you think. So people, me not draw out that video here no longer. I'm out.